Imagine this bike. That's 357,000 shekels. Oop. It's brand new. That's about $102,000. Shabbat shalom. Shabbat shalom. Yep. Well, that concludes our visit to Harley Davidson of Israel. There's 2 dealerships in the whole country. They're owned by the same people, and both dealerships are in the city of Tel Aviv. And that white Street Glide in there was 350,000 shekels, or about $102,000. I have a question. So this white CVO Street Glide here, it's brand new, and so that's 350,000 shekels. Really?
Not a lot. Average.
Well, you know,
Average prices.
I'm from Arizona. It's different, you know. So that motorcycle, is it made in Europe, in Germany, in Belgium? It's made in Belgium, and they ship it here. You have a lot of bikes here.
These one are used. They're not. And near the helmet is also used. Only what's in the center here are new.
So I just got to Israel yesterday. Thank you. I've been wanting to come for years. I've ridden Harleys for 40 years. Okay. So most of the Harley shops in America right now have small inventories of bikes, and you've got...
Maybe because America is such a big place and you have so many dealers. In Israel we have only one dealer.
So they got to come here.
Yeah. Or Fulon. We have another store in Fulon. It's like 10 minutes away.
So is it a t-shirt shop or is it a full dealer? It is.
Clothes and shoes.
No, full dealer.
So it must be busy enough to have 2 stores this close in Tel Aviv. The one in Holon and the one here. Well, that's good. You got to make money.
Yeah. Need to eat.
So what I see on the street, scooters.
Yeah.
Scooters everywhere.
I have a scooter also, by the way.
I just walked from our hotel, Grand Beach Hotel, High Arcon, up there to here, walk.
Ah, you walk here?
Yeah. So it's okay. So I saw one Harley Davidson. Yeah, one twin cam at a traffic light.
There's something about maybe 400 miles. No, I'm sorry, 3,000, 4,000 something.
In this Tel Aviv.
Yeah, in Israel. In the north, there's a lot of Harley. In the south also.
Okay,
Yeah.
thank you.
Our roads are not like yours. We have small roads and all of the country is like...
Oh, okay. So can a tourist come rent?
No,
No.
it's not legal.
Oh, it's against it.
It's against the law.
So it doesn't matter.
No.
BMW.
It's like a dangerous vehicle. So, cars you can rent free, but motorcycles...
The government. Oh.
Maybe
Okay.
it's for the best.
Thank you. I got my souvenirs. Yeah, too.
Bye.
Bye.